my because I saute the the garlic on onion and I add sardines. Mega sardines. Baka naman mega. Mega sardines. This is my favorite sardines, brand of sardines, Mega. You know why? Because Mega sardines have a own have a own boat to catch fish, fresh fish from the sea. They make up fresh sardines from fish from the sea and put to the can. Fresh. Yeah. Nag-advertisement ako, Ayla. Huwag kang maingay dyan. Don't shout. Oh, yeah. Yeah. This is my favorite sardines, Miga. Miga sardines, baka naman sponsor. Kahit 1 year supply lang. Charot. 1 year supply.